In this video, let's talk about the technology requirements for this class. Now, because this class is an online class, you need to make sure that you have consistent access to a reliable computer with reliable internet. You're going to be accessing Canvas and MyMathLab a lot in this course, so it's important that you have a device that's reliable where you can access those two pieces of technology. Students will need to have access to a printer in order to print the notes packet, or maybe you have a tablet that you like to use to take notes on that you can upload the notes packet from Canvas and notate it that way. Either way, you need to make sure that you're able to use the note packet that I've provided for you. Students need technology to scan or take pictures of your completed work and notes. After finishing the completed notes, you should be able to scan or take a picture, upload them into one document, and then submit them in the assignment in Canvas. You're also doing this every time you take an exam. You're showing your work clearly, organized, neat, and then you should be able to scan and submit that work in a timely manner into the assignment in Canvas. So you need to have some sort of technology to be able to do that. Also, you should be able to do that remotely. So when you're in the testing center, you should be able to use probably your cell phone to be able to scan and upload your assignment there. So make sure that you practice using that technology before test day. Okay? Internet outage and technology issues do not constitute a valid excuse for late assignments, quizzes, or exams. You need to make sure, like I said, you have consistent, reliable computer, internet, because there's no reason you shouldn't be able to work ahead and make sure that you have all your assignments done on time. So please do not email me and tell me that you had technology or internet issues. If you're working ahead, there shouldn't be any issues. The last little piece of technology, I guess you can call it, is a calculator. Now, depending on your class, if you are an MAT 142, a college mathematics student, you will need a scientific calculator for this class, a class that you might see the sine, cosine, tangent button. Now, that's trigonometry, and I'm not going to use those buttons, but that'll give you an idea of what type of calculator. If you're in an MAT 212 class, that's brief calculus, you're going to want to probably use a graphing calculator. You will be able to use these calculators on every exam. You need to be comfortable using whatever type of calculator you have, but they will benefit you in some of the assignments to move more efficiently through. So please make sure that you either have a scientific or a graphing calculator, depending on your course. I typically use a TI 83 or 84 graphing calculator. If I send videos of how to do certain things, that's probably the calculator you'll see. Now, if you have another calculator you're comfortable with, that's great as long as you know how to use it. Okay? Calculators cannot be shared or borrowed from the testing center. I don't think they have extra ones, so please make sure that you have your own calculator that you're comfortable with. You will not be allowed to use a cell phone or any sort of tablet or iPad as a calculator. So again, please make sure that you have a separate calculator for this class for exam day.